ANGOLABLACKFACE,
Yeah.
representing
KDZ, know your rights.
KDZ,
Stand up for your rights.
human rights defenders,
Yeah. Rights defenders. Message.
Jamaica, the
Think
universe,
of yourselves every time.
internationally.
Locally.
Emergency alert, my human family. 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 Agenda 21 is unlawful. It on the consent of the governed population of pink. Civil disobedience, international politics. It no longer left versus right. It has become a matter between human rights, truth versus Jesuit propaganda, superimposed, and the absolute refusal to just and obey certain constitutional mind and body. Laws are governmental demand. I do them. Hey, emergency alert, my human family. 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 Unlawful taxation for the purpose of influencing new human rights legislation. Her government policy at the UN, characterized by employment of such non-violence techniques as boycotting, picketing, and non-payments of Jesuit taxes. It is protected by Article 19, freedom of expression, Article 21, freedom of democracy, international political choice of the UDHR, peace treaty, a fundamental equality for all. Emergency alert, my human family. 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 Emergency alert.